Did you know that a light year isn't a measure of time, but a measure of distance? It sounds like something out of science fiction, but it's real. And once you understand what a light year truly is, the universe will never feel the same size again. Let's be honest, the term light year is confusing. When we hear year, we naturally think of time, 365 days, birthdays, calendars, so it makes sense that many people assume a light year means how long light lasts or how long it takes to become light. But that's not what it means at all. A light year is not about time, it's about distance. And the reason we need such a strange unit is because space is unimaginably huge. If astronomers used miles or kilometers to measure the universe, numbers would become so large, they'd be meaningless. So scientists created a new cosmic measuring stick, a ruler made of light. Let's break it down simply. Light is the fastest thing in the universe. Nothing moves faster. In 1 second, light travels about 300,000 kilometers or 186,000 miles. That's fast enough to circle Earth 7 times in a single second. Now stretch that speed across an entire year. No stops, no slowing down, just pure speed for 365 days. That distance equals 9.46 trillion kilometers. That is 1 light year. So when astronomers say a star is 10 light years away, they mean its light took 10 years to reach Earth. In other words, when you look at distant stars, you're looking into the past. You're seeing ancient light that began its journey before it ever reached your eyes. Some galaxies we see today sent their light millions or billions of years ago, meaning the universe is not just space, it's a time machine. Now let's apply this to familiar objects. The moon, light takes 1.3 seconds to reach us. The sun, about 8 minutes. The nearest star beyond our sun, Proxima Centauri, is 4.24 light years away. If you traveled at the speed of the fastest spacecraft ever built, it would take over 70,000 years to get there. Suddenly, the scale of the universe feels impossible. And yet astronomers regularly measure galaxies that are millions or even billions of light years away. Numbers so large that the human brain can barely hold them. Let's do a mind-bending comparison. Imagine shrinking the entire Earth down to the size of a grain of sand. On that scale, the moon would be about 30 centimeters away. The sun, across a small room. The nearest star, over 6,000 kilometers away, about the distance from New York to London. And the Milky Way galaxy, it would stretch across the entire planet. That's the power of light years. They're not just numbers. They're the only way to describe a universe where distances are so vast, they rewrite our sense of reality. And here's the truly wild part. Some of the galaxies we see today no longer even exist. Their light is still traveling toward us, even though the galaxies themselves may have already changed or vanished. You're watching ghost light from the ancient universe. Every time you look at the night sky, you're looking at history. So let's recap. A light year is not time, it's distance. It's how far light travels in 1 year, nearly 9.5 trillion kilometers. It allows astronomers to map the universe, to measure stars, to track galaxies, to look backward through cosmic history. Understanding light years is the first step to understanding just how vast reality truly is. The universe is not small, not even close. It is breathtakingly, beautifully, incomprehensibly enormous. Now I want to hear from you. Did the concept of a light year surprise you? Which fact blew your mind the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you're ready for another cosmic mystery, check out my next video. Subscribe to Life and Nature Matters because space is just getting started.